dear Uncle Philip, who was the head elder and also in charge of the project, was very passionate about it, and every time he used to remind me that Omogusii Mwana, and also my late dad. So it was a project that my parents have always been passionate about, and my church. Why Nyambari? You know, I saw some people criticizing me that you are already a national leader. Why are you coming home to come and celebrate this? A story is told in the Bible about a leader known as Nehemiah. Nehemiah was a leader, and he served under a king whose name I cannot pronounce, Omogusii. Somebody will say Omogusii translation error. Somebody will say I'm Professor John. Go translate. So I want to recognize Professor John. We worked with him when we were defending the president at the Supreme Court. Nehemiah served under king, and he came to the scene in 931 BC, before Christ, after Solomon built the temple. And there was a requirement that he should build a wall around Jerusalem so that he protects God's temple. And when he finished that, he went back to the king, and the Israelites were released finally from Babylon and brought back to Jerusalem. And when they came back, you'll see what they did. Under Psalms 131:3-4, they sang the Lord's song. How can we sing the Lord's song in a foreign land? I know you know that. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down. Yes. When I remember, oh, that is why we are here. We are here to sing the Lord's song, and we are not singing it in a foreign land. But I do recognize that I'm a national leader now and figure, and we came here to give thanks. So, without further ado, we want to start a small offering on behalf of Nyambari SDA Church to try and finish their project that they are doing next to the church. This is an old church, very old, and it started, the SDA Church started in Nyambari, for those who do not know, in 1936. So in about 10 years, we are going to celebrate 100 years of our church here. We are amongst the oldest churches in Kisila, I think also in Kenya. Who are here, Justice Majanja, I think, I don't know whether my constitutional spouse, Jacqueline Ingotia, Commissioner. I can see my good friend Onyango. Thank you for coming all the way from Kisumu. Governor Isaac Ruto, I don't know whether he's in the congregation. He was on his way. Thank you very much for finding time to come and share with us at Nyambari.